Hi there, thanks for joining us for another episode of Appalachian Predator Control. On today's video, we're partnered up with my good buddy Ryan. He's got some property down in Greene County, and he's had a lot of success down there with deer and turkey, and he's heard a lot of coyotes down there. So when Ryan called and needed a little help moving his tree stands, Chase and I volunteered to give him a little help and thought we might do a little calling before we started working.
Yeah, there was actually plenty of snow on the ground, and then as soon as we parked, and there were coyote tracks everywhere. And I told Ryan it's probably gonna happen quick, but man, a big learning experience here. You know, between a bunch of comedy of errors, between me flipping the camera, not actually getting the first miss on film. But either way, the third time was a charm. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, boys, you ready? Yep. Me too. I'll give it a minute, okay? You alright?
Clock, you see him, Ryan?
Yeah, yep, hold up, I'm not on the... Well, it's a shitty shot. You can take it.
It's on the horizon.
Just take it.
Go ahead, Ryan.
Woo! 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 We did. Okay, run, be really good, run. I don't know what's going on. Those birds. See it? I don't want to call them too much right now until the shots.
Coming right at us.
Hold on, just let it.
There's two of them, Ryan.
Let them come in closer.
Yeah. Stop. Woo! Whoop! 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 Get your. I'm on the other one. It's not
Shells.
Whoop! 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 Alright, I'm on it. Whoop! I'm slugging here. Take a shot.
I don't have any shells left.
All right, well, good morning. So a little snow on the ground here in Tennessee. It snowed Christmas Eve night. It's kind of warmed up. It's actually supposed to get up into the 50s today, so we expect a lot of the snow to melt off. But we wanted to come down to, down to Greene County, which is a little bit, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes away, something like that from where y'all live. So we got Brian with us today. It was kind of funny staying, honestly. But I started out with actually some cagey cottontail. I would say within 90 seconds. You know, had a coyote come over the ridge line right out in front. Bad thing was apparently I flipped modes in the camera. I wasn't even recording, which kind of sucks. So we don't have the miss on camera. So we'll just leave it at that. But you know, flipped over to some pup distress. Had another one come out, and you know, kind of stood out there about, I don't know, 160. Shot over it, which is unusual for us, and then, you know, I kind of kept on playing and flipped over to some bump and grind MFK, nothing, just to see, and I actually flipped over to MFK Boone Roo Beatdown. Man, I love that sound. It was pretty hot for us back in the summer, and then sure enough, within a minute or two, here come two right back over the horizon again, right out in front of us. We actually let this one get a little too close. We probably shot it about 50 yards. Tried to get it to stop, but it just wouldn't buck up. And then the other one, ultimately, we took a shot while it was running away and didn't get on it. So, you know, I think the biggest tip out of all this is just keep calling at the end of the day. Give it a little time, flip over to some pup distress, and see what else you can bring in. Thanks for watching.